We're going to do a challenge, that's what I was going to say. Yeah, right, we're going to do a challenge. I've just flown the drone expertly. The moment you have all been waiting for. It's been a long time coming. We're having a drone off between two of my Patreons. They don't know this is happening. So what happened, ALIPG and Stephen PG came down for a visit, I don't know, a year ago, and we went to see the tallest tree in England, 2009, I think it is stated, 2009.
No, let's do 90.
90 seconds.
90 seconds.
Who can edit the best advert or drone footage for the...
I sent the drone up. Bearing in mind my drone is broken at the moment. Well, hopefully some new propellers will fix it.
I've just flown the drone, expertly flew the drone for 13 minutes. I only really flew it for about 6 minutes and then tried to land it for about 12.
But yeah, anyway, sent the drone up, and what I was going to do is tell Ali that I was going to have a drone off with her. So who could edit the best video using the drone footage, using the same sounds, using a choice of three songs. I was never ever going to go up against Ali because, like, you know, who's going to beat me in a drone off? I'm not that good an editor. But I wanted to then sort of put the clip up in a behind the comm or use it other ways.
I wonder what Pam's going to come up with.
Yeah, yeah. Game on, Pam.
Game on.
Obviously putting it out there is a bit of a challenge. Pam stepped up to the plate and did an awesome little edit of, it's almost a full YouTube video, which I have asked for approval with, and he has given it to me. So I'm going to use that for something else. It's all battery went, it's back up now. Thanks to Patrons for helping me fund more batteries. So they've both done drone videos. So what I thought I'd do, instead of me going up against them, I'm going to put them up against each other.
But we won't tell them which is which.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it'll be video one. This is exciting. This is gonna be...
Okay.
I don't want anyone to sort of go, I won, I'm so much better than you, which they both will do. So this is going to be number one. Comment below which one you like the most, number one or number two. Timestamps are below, go and check those out. So we've got 1 and 2. Let's watch 1 first.
I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. 'Cause I love you.
Okay, so that was 1. What did you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like number 1, or let's watch number 2?
Oh, my intimacy is all I need from you to me. Oh, my intimacy is all I need from you
That was both videos done. So what do we think about those videos? Comment below, number 1 or number 2. Winner will obviously get a prize. I don't know what that is yet. Maybe put some comments below about the prizes. Again, it's only a bit of friendly competition. Again, obviously, if I was in this competition, I'd have blown you out the water. So no, I wouldn't have. So please go and watch those again. Comment below. Go and watch these 2 videos if you want to go and watch these 2 videos. Maybe I'll just upload the drone 1 and 2 on unlisted link.